Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out or log out of your Audible application using your mobile device or your tablets. The process is quite similar on both devices, so let's go ahead and follow along. First of all, launch open Audible application on your device and make sure that you are in the home page. Once you are in, click on the profile icon on the left-hand corner, and then this will open up your profile page, from where you'll need to click the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, scroll all the way down and look for the sign out button. To sign out of your account, click on sign out, and then in the pop-up, confirm by tapping sign out once again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log out or sign out of your Audible application. You can then sign into Audible whenever you want just by entering your Amazon account's credentials. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.